टाइम एंड वर्क का अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. The question is A, B, C together can do a work in 20 days. It's given that combine A plus B plus C 22 days, right? B plus C can do 3/4 of work. Whatever is work, they can do 3/4 of the work in 30 days. In how many days A alone can do it? Let us try to understand this question, right? See, if you know percentage fraction, your job is very easy. 3/4 is basically 75%, right? So B plus C can do 75% of work in how many days? 100% we have to find out, right? Then 100% of work will be done in how many days? Which is total work, right? 1% will be what? And 100% of work will be what? 30 by into 100, right? 25 3s are 25, 4s are 3. That means I can write B plus C can do it in how many days? 40 days. You can find out this, LCM, right? Total work is what? Of, we don't know how to find out LCM, right? Fatafat. 22 is what? 2 into 11. And 42 is what? Whatever prime factors you see, you write all of them. What you can see? 2, 5 and 11. Raise it to their highest power. 5 highest power 1, 11 highest power 1, 2 highest power is 3. 2 cube 8 5 is 40. And you have to multiply 40 with 11, which is 440. So total work is nothing but equal to 440. What is combined efficiency of A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C can do 440 in how many days? 440 divided by 22 is 20 units. Yes. And what is efficiency of B plus C? 40. Efficiency. Work upon this. 0, 0 cancel 11 or not? Right? Understood? A plus B plus C is 20 and B and C is 11. What is the efficiency of A? 9 units per day or not? A plus B plus C is 20, B plus C is 11. So A will be 9 or not? I have to find out time taken by A. So A now has to do how much work? Divided by 9. What is 440 by 9? Keep it like okay. So you want to write something in from this fraction to mixed fraction. So how to do it, right? You have to remember this Q plus R by D or simply QR by D. Q is your quotient, R is your remainder, D is your divisor. So if I have to divide 440 with 9, so 9 4s are 36, 80, 9 8s are 72, right? 8, right? What is your quotient? 48, right? Remainder? Remember this format. Right? What is the combined efficiency of A plus B plus C? What is efficiency of B plus C? So what will be the efficiency of A? 20 minus 11. तीनों मिला के 20 यूनिट्स, बी और सी से 11 कर रहे हैं, तो ए 9 तो करेगा ही. अंडरस्टूड? हाँ, माइनस करना है सिंपल. स्नेहा? Mom is not asking, telling.
You're telling that I asked him. How fast you know? Once I get offer letter, immediately I called him.
She called me first day. I was in Indore that day.
He's my guy.
Almost 90% of them, 95% of our students is good only. I mentored them, na? Sneha, then Aradhana brothers from IIT now got into IIM Indore. हाँ, ऑनलाइन लेता था लास्ट टाइम. We'll take one more question. See, in this question, once we know that 100% means B plus C can do this work in how many days? B plus C can do this work in total work, 40 days or not? Because you're doing 75% in 50 days, right? Just want to take one question where I can ask you to use logically thinking, right? Thinking logically. Yeah. Means I know that 30%, 75% is 30, so 10, 25, 1/3 of that will be 10. Yeah.
You can make 30 divided by half.
Yeah, 75%. I mean, multiple ways. I'm just explaining it to you. Sometimes people don't understand this.
75% is like 30, I can divide into 3 parts.
Yes, 25, 25, 25, 10, 10, 10. Now, let's try to understand the same question, right? Just remember this. I want you to think, see, the cat will allow, they want you to think. They want you to think. A, B, and C together can do this entire work in 20 days. And B and C alone can do it in how many days? 40 days. This is given, right? Basically not this where one person leave. Now that question is something which can be taught by that method. This question is very direct. Here you don't have to use much of this thing. How to tell you this? I'll take another question. Let me take another question from here only. Let me write it down and then explain it to you. Okay, I have to find it out where. Seventh वाला तो A, B, B, C और A, C है together. That same. हाँ सेम ही है, मतलब इधर ए और बी आर डूइंग वर्क, दैट विल कम टू दिस थिंग, आई एम जस्ट taking one question, don't worry, it has not yet over, chapter is not yet over. I just want to see where one person leaves the group. That's not there only. A lot of questions are there. Don't have to rush with the portion. Chalo, anyway, we'll come to, whenever we'll get that question, we'll do it. Okay. Now, I'll take one question of pipe 1, that's 9th question. Ninth question is, there are two taps. A can take 4 hours to fill the tank, right? Another tap B, which takes 6 hours to fill the tank. If both the taps are open simultaneously, in by what time the tank was full, what fraction of the tank was filled by tap A? First of all, find out two parts of this question. So in this case, over there you are finding total work, find out total capacity of the tank. So total capacity is nothing but LCM of whatever times are given, 4 and 6, right? Which is equal to what? 12. Simply, 4 and 6 is bada number 6, right? No multiple. What is efficiency of tap A? 12 by 4. Or if there are 2, cancel it. 2, 3, 3, 2. Directly write 3 units per hour. And efficiency of B? 2 units per hour, right? And how much time the tank will get filled if both of them are working? So to find out time. So time is work upon efficiency. Work is total 12. Efficiency is 5, which will give you, first of all, right? Now, what fraction of the tank was filled by pipe A? What fraction means? If this tank has 12 units, every 1 hour, A is putting how much? 3 units of water, B is putting 2. Next, again 3, B is 2. So this is 6 plus 4, 10. Now next 2 units, in what ratio they will be filled? So whenever we have these cases, right, I just want to tell you this. First of all, what fraction they're asking you will be filled by A? What fraction will be filled by A? So A is filling what? 3 out of total 5 units or not? Whatever 5 units of water is going in per hour, A is putting how much unit of water? 3 units. Out of total 5. 5 is 3 plus. Into total of 12 units. Find out this. 36 by 5. 36 by 5. So, okay, they have simply find out what fraction. Only 3 by 5. C and D, so any which way you could have cancelled it. Right? More questions of this will be taking in next class. I'll be taking it with you.